Hello. I want to introduce you to an 11-inch classic model by Frank Beltrami. Once you fire it, the tab on the tang area fits securely in the hole of the locking plate. To release the blade, you push the forward front bolster. It swivels, lifting up the locking plate and releasing the blade. So you can see that it's inside the tang. You can see that the blade won't move, but when you push the left bolster only, it releases the blade. So let's see if we can get close up on this. We hope you enjoy your new knife. Thank you.